Why we have choose this plant? It is because lady's finger is easy to grow, it has a short harvesting time, and it was recommended by experienced people after we did the survey.
The scientific name is Abelmoschus excellentus. It is also known as okra, gumbo, bendi, yangjiaodu, balmia, and it is belong to family Malvaceae.
Lady's finger plant is a semi-woody fibrous herbaceous plant. It has a larger, rough leaf, a thicker stem. On the stem we can see the leaf knot and axillary bulbs. It has a large showy yellow flower with royal purple color at base, a seed pod or fruit. The lady's finger carry unicellular trichomes on almost all parts of the plant, such as on the leaf, stem, and fruit.
Ladyfinger had been used in a variety of ways throughout history. The tender leaves of ladyfinger are often consumed as a vegetable in areas such as Western Africa and Southeastern. Stem fiber can be used for making paper. Truly dried okra stems can be burned as an inexpensive fuel. Ladyfinger fruit. It has high nutritional value and used to cook as food. When the pot is boiled, it becomes highly mucilaginous, and this mucilage has been used as a spreading agent in the manufacture of paper in Malaysia. Ladyfinger mature dried seed can be roasted and ground as a coffee substitute. Seed can also be used to make curd, which have a background flavor similar to that of tofu.
Lady's finger is grown annually in temperate region. It is grown in warm weather, and the best sort period it depends on the region. Lady's finger can be grown on a wide range of soil types, although rich, sandy, loam soil are optimum. The optimum soil pH range for lady's finger is 6 to 7, and the optimum soil temperature for germination is between 24 to 32 degrees Celsius. Lady's finger is considered by many to be tolerant of dry weather, but it is actually sensitive to moisture stress. A general recommendation is to apply 1 to 1.5 inch of water per week. For the light requirement, lady's finger should grow in a sunny spot because it is grown best under a full hot sun. From the graph, we can see that the plant increased in its height along the growth period.
Leaf is growing from the lateral branch of shoot near the shoot apical meristems and axillary buds. Ladyfinger has a simple leaf and a palmia leaf vein. Leaf margin vary from slightly wavy to very deeply lobed. Leaf will keep increase in their size until reach its maturity. Leaf have show a symptom where many small and tiny black dots are spread over the surface, and these may due to the pathogen. Other observations in leaf development are: new leaf will grow bigger than previous leaf. Average time for a new leaf to emerge is 3 to 4 days. The time for the leaf to undergo senescence is longer compared to previous leaf.
In flower development, the flower bulbs appear in the axil of each leaf beginning above the 6 to 8 leaf stage. As the plant develops, the lowest flower bulb on each stem opens soon after sunrise and close in the middle to late afternoon, and the flower will eventually warp and fall. The fruit starts to develop after the flower fall. It takes about 1 week to develop into a mature pod.
In an overview for the life cycle of lady's finger plant, plants start to grow from the seed germination. The time for the seed to germinate and grow into a plantlet takes about 3 days. After the seed germinated, it will undergo the vegetative phase for about 5 weeks. to increase their height and produce more leaves. After the vegetative phase, the plant will entering to the flower development stage and start forming of flower buds. It takes only 2 weeks to develop into a mature flower. The fruit is then appear after the flower will unfold. Ladyfinger's fruit take about 1 week to develop into a mature fruit. The plant will eventually die.
The major problem we have met during this planting journey is all about insect pests. Insect pests of ladyfinger can be grouped into 2 categories, the foliage feeder and pod feeder.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.